While we entertain you with the year's best football plays, we have some exciting news for automation professionals and the people that hire them. Ready to make strategic moves in your career? We've got some great opportunities that you don't want to miss. Check out the link in the description for a remote contract that allows you to work from home designing fixtures and robotic end-of-arm tools. If you're an automation engineer with a solid 4 years under your belt, it's your time to shine. It's time to become a consultant and start earning what you deserve. Create a standout profile on Automate America. Let's showcase your skills to hundreds of automation and manufacturing companies actively seeking your expertise for high-paying local, travel, and remote hourly contracts. Don't forget to highlight your desired pay rate. Not sure if you're ready to go out on your own? Create a profile and reach out to your account manager for a free assessment. Here's a winning play. We make it easy to start contracting. We specialize in pass-through work. If a major client is requesting your skills, we're likely already in the lineup as an approved supplier, ready to kick off business. We take care of the billing, and you get paid on your chosen payment terms. Hiring managers, for a limited time until the end of the year, posting direct jobs on Automate America is on the house. Take advantage and tap into our niche network of over 37,000 automation professionals from around the globe. We are now offering contract posting for full price, meaning we don't take a percentage of the bill rate, and customers work directly with the consultants they find on the site. Email us for more information. At Automate America, we're your go-to for on-site, remote, and hybrid automation opportunities. Whether it's jobs, hourly contracts, or contract to hire positions, we've got the winning playbook for you. Remember, gratitude is our driving force. Each member contributes to the evolution of our community. Let's keep the gears turning. Need more information? Contact us at info@automateamerica.com. Please like and share this post. It may just be the catalyst that helps one of your friends accelerate their careers. Join us on your favorite social media platform as we build a community of excellence in the world of automation. Let's elevate your game and create a future of endless possibilities. Increase your network today.